What's going on, guys? It's Marcus and welcome to the video. And yes, it's finally time to upgrade my storage of my PS5. Finally. 1 terabyte SSD. Hold on, let me go grab it real quick. 1 terabyte SSD. Finally got it. It's in hand. And I also have the heatsink that is in here. So I can just open this. Got the heatsink right here in hand. This should not hopefully be too complicated. All I gotta do is just follow the instructions. 1 terabyte SSD. SN850. This is the one that was approved by Sony to work with the PS5. And then I got a regular heatsink from Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. So I can finally get rid of my hard drive that's been connected to it since January. Yeah, oh look, it comes with a screwdriver and everything. That just fell, and the pads, so the heatsink pads, so that's great. Okay, boom, and there we got it. We have a completed build of the SSD. I have my PS5 here, but it turns out the SSD slot is on the other side. So expensive. Oh my god. Onto the side. Easy. Easy. Then from the videos, look like they just pop these off. There we go. And then there's the SSD slot. So let me go grab that screwdriver. And take this off. So I'm just gonna unscrew this. Just gonna keep unscrewing this. And then the cover comes right off. Or not. Okay, yeah, that's metal. And then the SSD. Okay, so if I've seen this correctly, this should just slide right on in. It took some finagling, but I finally got it in there. So now I'm just gonna screw back down this N2 back into where it needs to be to hold down the SSD so it doesn't do anything crazy. Oh my gosh. And boom. SSD is installed. That's pretty easy. Hard part was just getting it to slide into the slot without damaging the pins. So let's just see what happens. I'm gonna plug it up to the TV I got in the living room and just see what happens. All right, I got the PlayStation on, and now it says for you to format the SSD. So I'm click format SSD. And look at that, got it. Everything is good. Read speed 6,300, which is exactly what we want, because Sony wants it to be 6,000 MB megabits per second, which is the standard that they want. So this is right over it. And to change where your games are installed, safely remove your empty SSD. Cool. You're building the database, and boom, we are good. M.2 SSD, there it is, 1 terabyte. It's on there. Now let's see if I can transfer some of this stuff off of my hard drive. Here's all my games. Let's do that real quick. All right, so now I'm about to move all these games over to my M.2 SSD. And it's about 435 gigabytes. Yep, these are all the games that I want. Now it's moving. Now this might take a while, but yeah, guys. Well, thank you guys for tuning into this little quick SSD upgrade and moving storage video. So I'll keep you guys posted on exactly how long this takes. It's taking quite a bit. So hopefully I did it correctly. It's probably just because it's coming from a regular hard drive to a SSD, so it might take a bit. But until next time, guys, I'm Marcus, and you guys have I have one more video coming up very soon with the video of my vinyl player that I just got. So I'll let you guys know how that is. I'll create a video for that too. But until then, I'm Marcus, and you guys have a very good one. Peace.